G'day folks, if you're interested in learning BJJ from white belt all the way through to black belt, check out my website at www.bjjsyllabus.com. In there I have a whole bunch of online courses that can take you from white belt to blue belt to purple belt to brown belt to black belt and all the stripes in between. So check out the website, I'm sure there's something you'll like, www.bjjsyllabus.com for all your BJJ grading requirement needs. Check it out.
Now in this episode we're going to talk about elbow escape. Now there's a few ways to do it and they're all pretty hard, I find, as in pretty strenuous. So we're going to change a little bit. And elbow escape simply, if you jump off for a second and just kneel over there. Elbow escape in a short version is I rotate on my side, put my hand on my elbow, push my hips out. I then bring my feet up, change sides, push down along my knee and elbow escape. Okay? But it's a little bit easier to do this if I'm on the mount and I wait for him to change positions a little bit. So if he just stays there, I wouldn't worry about elbow escape. It's a little bit too strenuous. So if you go in a side mount or you just move and just get off the mount, so we do it this way. So you lift your foot up. So he's lifted his foot up. Now this is when I'm going to apply my elbows to his leg and push my knee through from here. And I'm only going to worry about one at the moment. Then when he adjusted and did the same thing on the other side, I would do the other thing. So just do something over here. And I put my other foot in. So I haven't done it from the mount position. I've waited for him to adjust. So you get up on this one again. So once it's up, I can put my elbows here, I can push back, slide my knee through, and I've got one hook in. You have to be a little bit careful of your neck when you do this because you don't want them to choke you. So I find the best way to do it, again, if we go back that way a little bit, is it's all about the timing. So if we wrestle a little bit and you stand up on this when you're ready, right from the start is when I start pushing his leg. He stands up again, right from the start. Now it doesn't matter too much if you use your hand. Textbooks probably you're supposed to use your knee, your elbow on his knee. But I find it's not a real big deal if you're a little bit wary. So go this way a little bit more, backwards. So let's say we're wrestling a little bit and I wait for his leg to come up. When it comes up I push with my elbow or my hand, but I protect my neck, so we wrestle a little bit. And it's came through like that. So that's how I get one of my knees through. So we do it again. My elbows are on his knees, protect my hands up, protect my face. He stands up, it slides down my hip, along my knee, and I push it onto my hook. Once more, up on the, so down my body, along my knee, onto his knee, push it off, into my hook, my left hand stays up on my face. So we'll do it a couple more times. So you just do your thing. Here. So it slides in. We'll do it once more. So it's all about the timing and waiting compared to, and then you do the same thing on the other side. But that's how I prefer it compared to doing it from here when his weight's down and I have to physically move him and lower my hands from my face, and it's just a little bit harder to do, and I find this way a little bit easier.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them, and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time.